barbell front raises. Can't take the hand position, having our hands just raised right outside of shoulder width apart.
You guys notice he's actually almost leaning up on this part of the machine here. That helps him eliminate a lot of momentum and really shifts all the stress into the anterior belt. Also, his shoulders, proud chest, straight back, really adding even more stress and leverage to the anterior belt. Crazy. Brief pause at the top of the motion. Slow negative.